Corruption is not just about stolen money. It is a stolen classroom where children sit on a broken chairs. It is a stolen medicines, leaving patients in hospital untreated. It is a stolen opportunities where jobs and development that should uplift the poor end up in the pocket of the powerful. Change began with accountability from the leaders who must serve with honesty and from the citizens who must refuse to remain silent. Transparency, good governance, and strong enforcement of the law are essential. But beyond law, what we need most is a change in mindset. That public office is a public trust, not a private business. Walang maparang korupsyon sa Pilipinas. Sama-sama tayong lumaban para sa tunay na pagbabago. Bawat maliit na hakbang ng pagiging tapat ay malaking bahagi ng pagbabago. Hindi sapat ang magreklamo lang. Dapat may aksyon tayo. Report corruption, support honest leaders,
na hindi pala baha ang magpapalubog sa ating bayan, kundi kasakiman.